Me buy no more band nine pen to jack quickly. They kind of me name is Asante who and I say CJ who. Who most of these ministries, the departments, the agencies now. TV na emotional. And you CNN and BBC. It's very bad. I suggest to them in all humility. Say some promote you. Wow, fear now share. We CNN new BBC. But one my issue quite such prestigious offices. So I say, ain't call presidents now all. TV so mo be atu na ono ye amano ni TV nko MY you know
on that mebo honorable Dr. Bernard Okuboy Abaso yes Kwabena ubewura Okuboy office bia no sanya Adom TV na ye Joy News
okay
and Joy Prime
okay
Adom TV you know but the bia
Mr. just to let them know say it's not healthy for us because you also any media and so America now here CNN or UK now here Sky they are proud of these two media houses UK and America yes Ghana no with the mon hwehwe kra no your Asempa TV or your Joy News your Joy FM your Adom TV your Adom FM inti your Hits FM your Inshira your Love ni na know which my no kasafidi nyina so kama inti mesre say the ministries the agencies and the departments and the presidency or more attention on them foreign media no in terms of pakusi enyumre CNN ne na abro so mama enso chefani bi operate a lot of TVs if the state TV more momo but I think I'm saying crowd here. Kafui day. Even now on social media, more followers. Afraid no more ye yen twa so kra na yanko bo ba so amana so afraid no more ye bia they toss be able to say
no
the kra na me kan
they free the ohadwo
no kra no ma yakwan ni na they toss be able to say aban ye say otiti no ma be bresu most of the ministers no they say omo eco cars nketua use no ntu be ministers be bre omo enenam kroma they say abasa small cars no it's good. Better late than never. Until person to kwaya dia na or you so 4-wheel drive that Ghana buying at the amount no, which I think say it's very 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 okay. Now another one and person beside the baby is revisiting the conversation of towing vehicles no. Also the buy e hon komo buy na amanyo se mum edi mo tintim
Kwabena me de en se Ghana ha no se bibia ba na se Ghana ni na de eba
yes
kwan bia ye be fa so a ye be bre na se ye be bubu na be wie no se ye broni ena ko ba be sa to yin ya enke ye be fa no so but ye ka be so zoom lion ye mpre ye ntiase
emra back na ye share na na ye se ye ntiase bi ma suggest say ye fan share insurance mu e bi se fan share okolanse say vehicle no ma e bi se obi a private insurance company taking that responsibility e bi se ye fan share shan kwankra bi sana omo insurance share nto whichever way the 24/7 towing service no it needs to be back on our roads especially the Kumasi Accra road very very worrying ti e be sere say empanyfo ni ho nkomo quickly na nko pie mrashi bedwam na sa nkomo no yentimi hu ni sibre because esha dodo na asesi akwanso ekoso man kwanhia no it's very much avoidable say towing service adwuma yie pa ankasa de no bebre ni ho a ebesi ti e be sere say almost I revisited that conversation of bringing back a towing service. Number 4 so be a teacher for binim so mo take advantage a teacher for binim our moji illegal fees for final year students JHS and SHS a teacher for binim our moji our headmasters for ni been so supervisor that illegality no next week you will name and shame our hanim say because now we've gathered enough evidence a binimu sika omoji no 500 600 700 any mremu baby the final year students as can omoji teacher for nya careful near send through caution said how for dodo na no ene hweso for dodo na enim se asodin o se asem no mpese omo de obi tumu se de omo gusu etua sika for placement. After all the conversation we keep having, it your cause your own enemies. I believe that
to some extent you can't fault them. Kwabena, you can't fault the parents because frustration. One say, why desperate?
But your desperation and frustration should not allow you to say, "Obokako can't corners," and I say, "Obokako to your bribe." See, because you idea frustration is near desperation, and no matter one with you, now multimedia, how frustrated we are in the midst of all the actual challenges. They are still keeping us going. I want to can't make what they are going through before they pay us. They can't just say they are frustrated, they are desperate, times are not good. So our frustration and our desperation should not lead us to do foolish things. No may unthinkable, no may abnormal. Omanhene in Shishayane say, any who can say utia sika, a brow ba akotron survey. Na okope baby dinato machine na do beto machine na for one to ye wo all manner of avenues wait masa come back to the secretariat or to the service on beti me aboa ama bibia ntimi sere awofo no nobody should come back and tell us say we give me 10,000 maintain nke biem ana wakodim sika yantimo hwe na monjima me you need sa adaje de for all the bar will report you to the police na police na can say taking it from there now na we dey nti e koso caution awofo no say
okay
monye careful na man kwose sa no ma bia enu kwase ba na ne kra no me enkanchre Ghana fo nyina say dear friend in discipline every facet of our life a driver for journalists politicians asofo ayinfo musicians all manner of people our level of and discipline too much and say uko mind bia so na say omo de discipline adwuma dia and it just o mind pese bi tumpo and o mind so pese be konka nti anope de Messi ha na machia